hands. When you get down to the bottom of your range, you want to make sure that you're as relaxed and speech-like as possible. You don't want to overproduce those bottom notes. Oh, never a beautiful sound. Oh, if it needs to get quiet and breathy on the bottom, that's okay. I'll let you know if I need a little bit more brightness, a little bit more push on the bottom for some particular reason in a particular song, but your default sound on the bottom needs to be as relaxed as possible. How many have played instruments before of some variety? The larger the instrument is, the lower the pitch. String bass is very big, violin is very small. Tuba is very big, trumpet's very small. The larger it is, the longer the vibration can be for the pitch. And the longer the vibration can be, the slower it can vibrate. And the slower that it vibrates, the lower the pitch is. We already talked about this with my 220, and Mary's 440. Yeah, the difference is mine's slower, lower hertz, lower frequency. My instrument is larger. I have a larger, that's why men tend to have a pronounced Adam's apple and women tend to have a very small, subtle Eve's orange. So we need that large space when we're going for our lowest notes. You need the full length of your vocal cords. So if there's any tension, it shrinks up the length of those vocal cords. They can't vibrate fully and relax. You don't want tension on your top notes. It can be dangerous if you're tight on your top notes, but tight top notes come out a little bit easier than tight absolute lowest notes. You'll lose the bottom couple notes of your range if you're tight at all because you literally can't extend the chord long enough to get those pitches out. So you need to relax as much as possible.